Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to enable dark mode on Monday.com. Maybe you want to reduce eye strain or just prefer the look of dark mode. So today I'm going to show you how to enable dark mode on Monday.com. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open the Monday.com application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, you will see this three dots icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Simply tap on it to open the settings page. In this settings page, look for the theme option and tap on it. A menu will pop up below, and here you will see three options: light, dark, and system default. Now, to enable dark mode, you simply need to tap on this dark option. After that, you now have successfully enabled dark mode on Monday.com. You can now enjoy using the application with a dark background, reducing eye strain and providing a more comfortable viewing experience. There you go. If you wanted to know how to enable dark mode on Monday.com, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to enable dark mode on Monday.com, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.